Hello everyone, welcome to the channel Destiny. Let's start current affairs of 12th of April 2021. First question, which company became the first to cross 1 billion transaction on UPI, that is Unified Payment Interface Infrastructure? Answer is A. PhonePe. PhonePe, founded in 2015 by Samir Nigam, headquarter of PhonePe is in Bangalore. Which state government has launched a unique gift scheme to promote COVID vaccination in the state? Answer is A. Uttar Pradesh. Capital of UP is Lucknow. CM is Yogi Adityanath. Governor is Anandiben Patel. Next, whose birth anniversary has been declared as Public Holiday 2021 under Section 25 of Negotiable Instruments Act 1881? Answer is B. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Next, Sankalpa Se Siddhi was launched by whom? Sankalpa Se Siddhi was launched by A. TriFed. TriFed is a tribal cooperative marketing federation of India. Headquarter is in New Delhi. Chairman is Ramesh Chand Meena, established in 1987. Which IIT has developed a novel touch sensitive watch? This watch is developed by IIT Kanpur. Answer is D. This watch is for visually impaired people to sense time accurately. This is developed by Professor Siddharth Panda and Professor Vishwaraj Srivastav. Next news, Tedros Adhanom Ghebreyesus, Director General of the World Health Organization, has appointed Carl Bildt as a WHO's special envoy for the access to the COVID-19 tools accelerator. WHO headquarters is in Geneva, Switzerland, founded in 1948. Next, who developed an advanced trap technology to safeguard naval ships against missile attack? This is developed by DRDO. DRDO is a Defense Research Development Organization. Headquarters is in New Delhi. President is G. Satish Reddy, founded in 1958. Who among the following conferred with 2020 Association for Computing Machinery A.M. Turing Award, also known as the Nobel Prize of Computing? Answer is A. Alfred V. Aho. Next, who won the Miami Open final? Answer is A. Hubert Hurkacz. He is from Poland. Next, Isamu Akasaki passed away. He was, answer is a D, physicist, who was known for his contribution to bright and energy saving white light sources, widely known as the LED lamps. Tulip festival was inaugurated where? Answer is A. Srinagar. Next news is Shabbir Hussain Shekhadam Khanawala is the new BCCI's anti-corruption unit chief. Before this, he served as a Gujarat DGP. Next, National Policy for the Rare Diseases 2021 has been approved by whom? Answer is A. Dr. Harshvardhan. He is a Health and Family Welfare Minister. Aim for this National Policy for the Rare Disease is to lower the high cost of the treatment for the rare diseases with increased focus on indigenous research and local production of the medicines. Next, which bank approved USD 484 million to improve transport connectivity and road maintenance in Chennai Kanyakumari Industrial Corridor in Tamil Nadu? Answer is a B. Asian Development Bank. President of ADB is Masatsugu Asakawa. Tamil Nadu, capital of Tamil Nadu is Chennai. CM is Edappadi K. Palaniswamy and Governor is Banwarilal Purohit. Next, who received the Kalinga Ratna Samman for 2021? Answer is A. Vishwabhushan Harish Chandra, who is a governor of Andhra Pradesh. Anandiben is a governor of UP and she is having additional charge of MP. Bhagat Singh Koshyari is a governor of Maharashtra and Goa. Next, India's biggest floating solar power plant with a capacity of 100 megawatt is expected to become operational in which state? Answer is D. Telangana. Capital of Telangana is Hyderabad. CM of the Telangana is Chandrasekhar Rao. Governor is Tamilisai Sundararajan. Thank you. Do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.